Hello moneymakers, welcome to today's top 5 market updates. We start today in the USA where May's pending home sales report is due out at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Contracts to buy previously owned homes in the U.S. is expected to rise from -21.8% in April of 2020, to -18.9% in May 2020. The National Association of Realtors pending home sales report measures the change in the number of homes under the contract to be sold but still awaiting the closing transaction, excluding new construction. Because a home goes under contract a month or two before it is sold, the pending home sales index generally leads existing home sales by a month or two. Next up, America's largest oil and gas producer, Chesapeake Energy Corporation files for bankruptcy. Chesapeake Energy Corp filed for Chapter 11 on Sunday, becoming the largest U.S. oil and gas producer to seek bankruptcy protection in recent years as it bowed to heavy debts and the impact of the coronavirus outbreak on energy markets. Chesapeake plans to eliminate approximately $7 billion of its debt. A separate court filing indicated that Chesapeake has more than $10 billion in liabilities and assets, respectively. The filing marks an end of an era for the Oklahoma City-based Shale pioneer, and comes after months of negotiations with creditors. Next up, Germany will release its June's Consumer Price Index at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Consumer Price Index Germany is expected to increase from -0.1% in May 2020, to 0.3% in June. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) for Germany measures the average price change of all goods and services purchased by households for consumption purposes, e.g. food, clothing, motor vehicles, rents, cleaning services, repairs, etc. CPI is the main indicator to measure inflation and changes in purchasing trends. Our next update is, Japan releases its retail sales year-on-year report for the month of May. Japan retail sales dropped -12.3% in May, below expectation of -11.6%. It's also the second straight month of double-digit contraction, due to coronavirus pandemic and corresponding lockdown measures. Back in April, retail sales contracted -13.9%, the worst since March 1998. Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda warned last Friday that the second-round effects of the coronavirus pandemic could still hurt the economy considerably. Yet for now, it is not necessary to act to further lower the entire yield curve. Our final update is from the commodities sector. Oil prices drops as COVID-19 cases hit new high. Oil continued its drop on Monday morning in Asia, following last week's plummet. According to Johns Hopkins University data, investor worries over demand were amplified after COVID-19 cases surpassed 10 million and deaths surpassed 500,000 as of June 29. The U.S. is seeing a big surge in virus cases with some states hitting an all-time high. Only 2 states, Connecticut and Rhode Island, reported a decline in new cases compared to last week. Brent crude futures fell 69 cents to $40.33 a barrel, while U.S. crude lost 62 cents to $37.87. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for regular updates, only on Capital Street FX.